Hi there, it's Yoshiko here. Today I would like to talk about super nutritious Japanese food, miso. Miso is fermented soybean paste, and I think most of you know miso soup, right? So why miso is so nutritious? Here's why. Do you know that the miso contains more than 400 health components? It is very rare to find a single food that contains so many nutrients. Miso contains everything we need except vitamin C and A. But if you have a miso soup with a vitamin C and A rich food such as kale or sweet potato, your meal is totally balanced. Or just having a seaweed in your miso soup fixes the problem, which makes it so easy to have a balanced meal with miso. Even more fabulous news is that those nutrients are very easy to digest and assimilate in your body, thanks to the fermentation process. We are what we eat, but actually we are what we assimilate. Miso also is a fabulous source of probiotic. The good bacteria and the probiotics in miso is actually stronger than the one in the animal source of probiotics, such as a yogurt. So probiotics in miso has a higher heat resistance. It also stay alive in your gastric juice while probiotics in yogurt die out in your stomach. Gosh, isn't miso amazing? The problem is that most miso sold on the market are already dead. It is heated to avoid molding. So after being heated, a beneficial enzyme and the probiotics in miso die. And do you know most miso soup in Japanese restaurant and instant miso sachet contain MSG? So please don't think that you are nourished when you have miso soup at your local restaurants. I must say that there are good quality Japanese restaurants that serves MSG-free miso soup, but it is very rare to find. So, can I share my gray hair story? I found my first gray hair when I was 33. I am 45 now and I don't need to dye my hair because I don't have many gray hairs. So, as a matter of fact, I recently found 3 gray hairs and their roots are black and the rest is gray. So basically, I'm reversing my use. Yay! So the reason why I have a manageable amount of gray hair is having lots of quality, super nourishing food like miso. So do you know that hair is the least important organ of your body? The nutrients go first to important organs, then there are any leftover, it goes to hair. So having high quality nourishing food that's very easy to assimilate is definitely helping nourishing your entire body, including the least important organ, your hair. So you would notice that when you are eating well, you can save so much money. I actually haven't been to a hairdresser for 7 months and I was going to go recently, but I realized that I don't have time, so I gave up. But my hair doesn't look that messy, right? And when I was having a bad diet, I had to spend lots of money on the facial, expensive skincare, clothes, a hairdresser to gain confidence, cover up my things. And I also don't need to see a doctor either now, but I do go to the health checkup regularly though. Couple of years ago when I had my regular checkup and received my result, and I asked my doctor how he would rate my health level from 1 to be really bad to 10 to be outstanding. He said I am beyond 10 and I would live over 100 years old. So, if you want to use miso for super nourishment for your body, please make sure to buy a live miso without MSG for your health and beauty. And there are more tips to maximize the power of miso as well. Thank you for watching.